Hey, what's up guys? Fazman here. In this video, we are going to review Promi AI. Promi AI is a platform for generating and editing images and videos. It offers some seriously advanced features and outputs packed in a user-friendly interface. Whether you are an architecture, interior designer, game developer, or just someone who loves to create, Promi AI has got something for you. Let's take a look at the amazing tool it offers. The link is available in the video description and you need to click on Start Creating for free. Here you can see we have different AI tools like sketch rendering, AI image generator, HD upscaler, erase and replace, outpainting, image to video, text to video, and much more. First of all, let's try AI Image Generator. It is a powerful tool that can create stunning images from text description. Simply enter a few words or phrases and the AI will generate an image that matches your description. You can use the AI Image Generator to create images for social media posts, blog articles, presentations, or any other project. The interface is pretty simple, and besides the prompt, you can add style, scene, perspective. You can see there are several style options and it's divided into several categories, so you can aim for realism, cinematography, commercials, and many more. And if you want to choose a specific scene, Promi AI has you covered. You can choose from various categories like architecture, interior, or commercial spaces. And perspective is an option that tells the AI model how you want your character to be placed. You can go all the way from macro shots to drone views to get perfect output. And use a negative prompt to describe what you don't want to see in the output. And artistry is a slider that tells to the AI model how creative it should be. And there are 13 different size options with both vertical and horizontal aspect ratio. And click on Generate button. You can use the images that you create with the AI Image Generator for commercial purposes. The AI Image Generator is a powerful tool that can help you create stunning images quickly and easily. And here we also have a sketch rendering. This feature saves time for architects, interior designers, and product designers to see their ideas as they would look in real life. They can easily show them to clients or associates without needing additional skills or tools. One of its standout features is the ability to transform hand-drawn sketches into realistic images. This is a huge time saver and a game changer for professionals in the design field. Here is how it works. You start by drawing your sketch by hand. It does not need to be perfect, just get your ideas down on paper. Once you have your sketch, simply upload it to Promi AI. Promi AI takes your sketch and adds a touch of creativity, turning it into a fully rendering realistic image. This allows you to visualize your ideas as they would look in real life, without needing any additional skills or tools. The Erase and Replace feature of Promi AI offers a powerful tool for image editing and enhancement. You can effortlessly select an area you wish to replace or remove using either the Auto Select function or manually with the brush tool for precise control. Once the area is selected, you can enter a prompt to determine how the erased part should be transformed. If you wish to only remove it, select the area and click on Remove button, then click on Generate. And that's it. Here is the result. And if you wish to replace the area, you can also enter the prompt. If you wish to turn the erased part to something else, then click on Generate button. And here are the results. This innovative feature simplifies the process of image editing, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals seeking to enhance their visual content quickly and efficiently. And next we have HD Upscaler. Image Upscaler is a powerful tool that can enhance the quality of your images by increasing their resolution. This is especially useful for low resolution images that you want to use for printing or other purposes. The Image Upscaler uses a deep learning algorithm to intelligently upscale your images, preserving details and minimizing artifacts. The Image Upscaler can make your images suitable for printing by increasing their resolution. The HD Upscaler is a powerful tool that can help you make the most of your images. If you are looking for a way to improve the quality of your images, I highly recommend giving the HD Upscaler a try. Next we have erase and replace, outpainting, image to video, text to video. Let's check out image to video. Image to video feature enables users to convert static images into dynamic video content effortlessly. Utilizing AI technology, this tool seamlessly integrates images with transitions, effects, and music to create engaging videos. It's ideal for marketers, content creators, and businesses. It simplifies the video production process, allowing for the quick creation of promotional videos, social media content, and presentation. Simply upload your images and let Promi AI do the rest. This feature ensures professional quality videos that captivate your audience and enhance your visual storytelling. Now let's try background remover. If you have an image that you wish to be on a transparent background, here is the solution. Background remover allows you to upload an image, select what kind of background you want, and a moment later you get it. The background can be any RGB color or simply transparent. So you can see we have many tools to try out like AI Supermodel, Text Effects, AI Headshot Generator, Background Remover, AI PNG Generator, AI Logo Generator, AI Sketchmaker, AI Low Poly Generator, AI Pixel Art Generator, AI Action Figures Generator, and much more. So whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, Promi AI is your go-to platform for all your creative needs. It's an essential tool for architects, interior and product designer as well as game and animation professionals ready to take your design to the next level. Head over to promiai.pro and start creating today. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.